നമസ്കാരം. ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? ഒരു വ്യക്തിയുമായി എങ്ങനെ സംഭാഷണം തുടങ്ങാം, എങ്ങനെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താം എന്നിങ്ങനെ വ്യക്തിപരമായ കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ തുടങ്ങി സാംസ്കാരികവും സാഹിത്യപരവുമായ അറിവുകൾ കിട്ടുന്നതിനായി വിവിധ സാഹചര്യങ്ങൾ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളിച്ച സംഭാഷണങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ കാണുക ഇതുവരെ പഠിച്ച പാഠഭാഗങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു ചുരുക്കരൂപമാണ്. We saw different conversations with various conversational situations that may help you understand certain aspects of the Malayalam language, culture and heritage. Let's have a brief revision of the topics we have studied so far. In the first chapter, we see how to say greetings, introduce your name and introduce another person, etc. Let's see it again. I will give examples and explain the basic concepts related to it so that you can refresh your mind easily. Likewise, we will go through each lesson. Okay, let's start. It is important to have an introductory greeting to start a conversation, right? A very common word used in Malayalam is namaskaram. There is no age restrictions when using namaskaram. Then comes nouns and pronouns. As we all know, introducing a name is okay. But when talking about a second or third person, we do not use names every time. Instead, we use pronouns. In any language, pronouns play a crucial role in communication, helping us refer to ourselves and others without repeating names. Malayalam, like many other languages, has distinct pronouns based on the person being addressed. In Malayalam, for the first person singular, we say nyan. That means I. Nyangal, it means we. That's the first person plural exclusive. Then comes ende, my. It's a possessive form of I. For better understanding, let us see the examples. Njan Malayalam Bhasha Vidyarthiniyanu. I am a Malayalam language student. ഞങ്ങൾ മലയാളം ഭാഷ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളാണ്. വി ആർ മലയാളം ലാംഗ്വേജ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. എൻ്റെ പേര് തങ്കം എന്നാണ്. മൈ നെയിം ഈസ് തങ്കം. നോട്ട് ഓൺലി ദിസ്, ബട്ട് ദെയർ ആർ ഓൾസോ സെക്കൻഡ് പേഴ്സൺ പ്രൊനൗൺസ്, ഡെമോൺസ്ട്രേറ്റീവ് പ്രൊനൗൺസ്, ഇൻട്രോഗേറ്റീവ് പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ആൻഡ് മോർ ഇൻ മലയാളം. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു? നീ എവിടെ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു മീൻസ് വേർ ആർ യു കമ്മിങ് ഫ്രം. യു മേ കൺഫ്യൂസ് ഹിയർ വിത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ. That means you honorific plural and me means you. Ningal is a formal way of asking while me is informal. Even Telugu Bhasha Vidyarthiyanu. Ivante pere Raju ennanu. He is a Telugu language student. His name is Raju. അവൾ മലയാളം വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാണ്. അവളുടെ പേര് മംഗള എന്നാണ്. She is a Malayalam student. Her name is Mangala. In the given sentences, different pronouns are used to refer people and their possessions. Even, meaning he, is used for a male who is near the speaker, while aval is represent for a female who is farther away. Similarly, their possessive forms are even day, meaning his, and avalude, meaning her. Additionally, ivar and our are used for plural forms referring to these people and those people, and either meaning this when referring to objects, things or abstract ideas that are near the speaker respectively. For example, ഇവർ നമ്മുടെ അധ്യാപകരാണ്. These are our teachers. അവർ എൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളാണ്. They are my friends. ഇത് ഒരു പുസ്തകമാണ്. This is a book. So these pronouns help in making sentences concise and avoiding repetition. You may have noticed the suffixes inde and ude in words like avande and avalude. These suffixes indicate possession in Malayalam and are attached to pronouns or nouns to show possession, similar to his, her, my and our in English. In Malayalam, other and either are demonstrative pronouns used to indicate objects or things based on their distance from the speaker. Either, that means this, used for something nearby. Example, either oru pustagamanu. This is a book. Other, that means that, used for something farther away. Example, adoru veedanu. That means that is a house. Thereafter, we perceived in Malayalam aana is an essential grammatical element used to indicate being, identity, or existence. It functions similarly to the English verbs like is, and are, helping to form declarative sentences also known as copula. Unlike English, Malayalam does not always require a separate verb for to be in all contexts, but aana plays a key role in equational sentences. For example, ഞാൻ മലയാളം ഭാഷ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാണ്. I am a student of the Malayalam language. ഇദ്ദേഹം മലയാള ഭാഷ അധ്യാപകനാണ്. This man is a teacher of the Malayalam language. In between, you also went through a negative copula of aana called alla. For example, Bhopal വലിയ നഗരം ആണ്. Bhopal is a big city. Bhopal വലിയ നഗരം അല്ല. Bhopal is not a big city. And then we spotted the questions ആരാണ്, ഏതാണ്, എന്തെല്ലാം that are classified as interrogative pronouns in Malayalam. For example, നിങ്ങൾ ആരാണ്, who are you all. നിങ്ങളുടെ സംസ്ഥാനം ഏതാണ്, which states do you belong to. അവ ഏതെല്ലാമാണ്, what are those states. And the plural marker suffix കൾ and ങ്ങൾ in വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ and പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ respectively. It indicates that the word refers to more than one person, object or entity. Afterward, we found aano, a question marker in Malayalam used to form yes or no questions. It is commonly used to inquire about identity, existence, or state of being. This marker is often added to nouns, pronouns, or their forms to indicate a question. For example, in the sentence, നിങ്ങൾ അധ്യാപകനാണോ, are you a teacher? The word aano here is used to confirm someone's identity. Similarly, in ഇത് സത്യമാണോ, is this true? It questions the truthfulness of a statement. Then you have studied several kingship terms in Malayalam. Kinship terms refers to words used to describe family relationships. These are the essential part of learning of a language as they help in understanding familial structures and addressing people respectfully. We also explored various kinship terms in Malayalam. For example, Achan for father, Amma meaning mother, Madapidakal means parents, Magan that is son, Magal meaning daughter, Makkal that means children, Sahodaran means brother, Sahodari meaning sister, Ammavan that means uncle, Ammai meaning aunt. In between, we learned a vocative case for addressing anyone. In Malayalam, the vocative case is used to directly address someone, often requiring modifications to nouns form. Nouns ending in n drop their final consonant and lengthen the preceding vowel as seen in Acha. That changed to Acha, and Raman that changed to Rama. However, an exception to this rule is Magan, which changes to Magane in the vocative case. When indicating plurality, Malayalam uses suffixes like kal and r, where makkal means children and Bharatiya refers to Indians. Additionally, the coordinating suffix is used to connect words in a list, as in Achanum, Ammayum means father and mother, and Chetanum, Chechiyum meaning elder brother and elder sister. These grammatical patterns play a crucial role in structuring Malayalam sentences accurately. Then we studied how the suffix kar in Malayalam is used to derive nouns from other nouns, often indicating a group or collective identity. For instance, Nattukaran refers to a man from the place, while Nattukari means a woman from the place. The plural form Nattugar signifies people from the place and does not have a separate marker for gender. In these examples, an serves as a masculine suffix, E as a feminine suffix and the common gender plural remains unmarked as seen in Nattukar. This pattern is widely observed in Malayalam noun formation, highlighting the role of suffixes in distinguishing gender and number. Let us now explore the Malayalam numeral system. Malayalam has its own set of numerals which were historically used in inscriptions, manuscripts and official documents. 1 means 1. 2 meaning 2. 3 that means 3. 4 means 4. 5 meaning 5. 6 means 6. 7 means 7. 8 that is 8. 9 meaning 9. 10 means 10. In the Malayalam numeral system, numbers from 11 to 20 and the numeral patterns up to 100 follows a systematic structure. The numerals from 11 to 89 are formed by combining the unit numerals 1 to 9 with different forms of path means 10 such as panda and pada either as the first or second component. For example, panda in 12 means 12, 30 meaning 30. Panda occurs before 2 to form 12 and padi before 3 and 4 as in 13 and 14 means 13 and 14 respectively. Padin before the vowel beginning numeral except 9 as in 15 means 15. 16 that means 16. 17 meaning 17. 18 that is 18 and 10 before 9 as in 19 meaning 19. Numerals from 20 to 80 are formed by adding pada as the second unit to the basic numerals 1 to 8 in the following way. For example, 20 means 20, 30 means 30, 40 meaning 40, 50 means 50, 60 that is 60, 70 means 70, 80 that is 80. 10 has another form as patti as like this. 34 means 34. 42 means 42. Before vowel beginning, numerals either patti or path is added and we get 41, 41. Both means the same 41. The word for 100 is 100 and its other forms are 100 and 100. For example, 108 means 108. 104 meaning 104. Forms such as 12, 14, etc. indicate another type of numeral adjective other than the arm form such as 12. Generally, the arm forms indicate the different unit as in Avan onnam classilana, he is in the first class. You have seen examples such as idaduvashathu on the left side, valaduvashathu on the right side and edirvashathu on the opposite side. In these words, the sense of location is conveyed without using the usual locative case marker il. Instead, the suffix u serves as the marker indicating location. So this pattern is also commonly observed in Malayalam when specifying positions or directions. Then you have also encountered a new interrogative words like everyday, which means where, and etramate, which is used to inquire about the order in a sequence. The form everyday has other related words in the same paradigm such as avide means there and ivide meaning here. When the particle is added to genitive case forms in Malayalam, the final a undergoes lengthening followed by the addition of the glide ya. So this transformation occurs as a natural phonological adjustment in the language. For example, when achende that combines with it becomes achendeyum. Similarly, ammayude that changes to ammayudeyum. This pattern is consistently followed in Malayalam when expressing inclusion or emphasizes using the particle with genitive forms. Then we moved on to the different types of masculine, feminine and plural forms. In Malayalam, adjectival predicates are typically formed using the neuter suffix the. However, when referring to the human nouns, they can be derived from adjectives by adding one for masculine, well for feminine, and for plural form. For example, the adjective nalla takes different forms based on gender and number. And nalla means good. For example, nallavan, he who is good. Nallaval, she who is good. Nallavar, they who are good. This pattern helps in specifying gender and plurality while maintaining the descriptive quality of the adjective. We also explored a different perspective on the interrogative word etra, which can also be used to form exclamatory sentences in Malayalam. Instead of just asking a question, etra signifies a degree or intensity of a quality. For example, in the sentence, Ninde veettudamastan etra nallavanana. The word etra expresses admiration or surprise, translating to what a good man your house owner is in English. So we also observe that the particle thoru, when added after certain types of nouns, indicates repetition or continuity. This usage conveys the idea of something happening regularly or repeatedly over time. For example, masam thorum, month after month. Veedu thorum, house after house. Divasam thorum, day after day. This pattern helps in expressing the recurrence of events or actions in Malayalam, making it a useful linguistic feature for describing in addition to expressing ongoing sequences. And we also saw the use of the word atre, which is added to a sentence to indicate that the statement is non-committal. It suggests that the speaker is either not entirely convinced about the truth of the statement or does not take full responsibility for it. For example, ഞങ്ങൾ അയാളുടെ 10ാമത്തെ വാടകക്കാരാണത്രേ. It seems we are his 10 tenants. Here, atre conveys an element of hearsay or uncertainty, making it a useful linguistic tool for indirect reporting or expressing doubt. I hope this helps you recall the previous classes. That's all for this session. The revision will continue in the next session too. See you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.